In this video, I'm going to show you how the latest social media planner looks like and what you can do with it. So first of all, we have a calendar that you can color and you can add dates. So for example, if you have a sale, then you would just write sale and you would know when your sale is happening. You can color as many numbers as you want and you can change them. So that's very simple. Now, after that, we have a to-do list where you can fill it out and write down your to-do list over here. Once you're done with something, you can just mark a check and that's it. You can also move these images. They're not forever. You can delete them if you want. You can move this image over here if you want, or move it even more back. Or you can just delete it altogether. So that's again something that you can do and personalize. After that, we have a content strategy. We have content pillars. So all of these you can choose and write whichever you want. So for example, maybe you don't have Facebook as your social media or Twitter, then you would just delete Twitter and then it will automatically be updated in 5 calendars. So if I go here and I look for Twitter, it's not there anymore. If I go here and look for Twitter, it's also not there. So they're all updated to all of your planners, so you don't have to worry about that. Let's go back and let's put Twitter there. You can also put blog post or podcast or any other social media or other media channel that you use. Now, these are your content pillars. You also want to choose them. So I want to go here, I can choose my content pillar over here and just choose whichever I want. You can also change the dates really easily. So I just choose the date and it automatically updates the day over here. And also if I want to change these, I can just do that. So I'll just go ahead and drag if it's just the next day and that's it. If I choose, for example, the 12th and then the first one is 10 and then the next one is 12th, this is what happens once I drag. It changes every 2 days. So that's something you can do as well. Let me just go ahead and change it. So I just click the square thing and drag it and that's it. These ones you can also change it, so and I have a tutorial for that which comes with a planner, so you can make them in your own language. So maybe you're not an English speaker, no problem, you can make it in Spanish and Slovenian and all kinds of languages here. That's really easy for you to make. Now over here we have some images. So once we choose the content, we can immediately change that. So for example, if I delete this and go to the first planner, now it's empty and I can go back and add it here and I can change all of the images over here. Now everything you see, it can also be adjusted and changed, and there is a video tutorial once you get the planner together with all the changes that you can make and very detailed explanation. So as you can see, there's different colors for each planner and also different feeds. So we have 5 feeds that you can use and change however you want, and then they get updated over here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you don't like these colors, then it's also not a problem. You can just change them. It's very easy to change color on Google Drive. And then we have branding. And so for branding, we have a mood board that's going to load soon. And so I can just click on it, and this is kind of for my own inspiration, and I can just change it up and do whatever I want with it. I can also download this image. I can have guides for it. I can have a ruler. I can do all kinds of things that I want, but most importantly, I can add shapes and I can add images and I can turn and move the images as well. Let me just do that, and then we can save and close. And what's gonna happen, sometimes it happens, sometimes it doesn't, it just becomes bigger like this. So then I just make it smaller so it fits where I want it to fit. And you also get some pins. So for example, let's copy this pin and let's go to the Instagram feed. I can add them here if I want to. It's not gonna affect my feed at all. So if I go to content, let me just add it here so it's more visible. If I go to my content planner, it's not gonna appear here. However, I can change it over here, and I can change it and make it white if I want to, if that's the aesthetic that I like more. But it's obviously already done for you. You don't have to do anything if you don't want to. So this is the walkthrough of the content planner. If you have any questions whatsoever, just let me know. Thank you for watching.